Hey guys, what's up? Today I bought a new Philips product which is Multigroom Series 7000 and the model number is QG3387/15. It's one of the most dedicated and awesome product by Philips. It comes with 9 attachments. First one is body groomer, detail foil shaver, rotary nose trimmer, detail trimmer, skin friendly trimmer, and it have turbo power button for increased performance, and it is full shower proof, and it gives you 50 minutes runtime with 1 hour charge. And few more accessories are hair comb, body comb, beard and stubble comb, and eyebrow and detail comb. Now let's do unboxing. I have used Philips body groomer for 3 years and I was amazed by its performance, but its battery was damaged. So I bought this trimmer with extra functions. There could be nothing better than this trimmer. Its turbo function is very fast, precision, and the battery power are remarkable. Replacing different accessories is easy. Material is so strong, and when it is in your hand, you will feel that the product has a great quality. It has an ultra modern eye-catching look. There is no brush in its kit for cleaning because you can clean it directly under the tap. Now let's check its cutting performance. Many people ask me what's best for body hair removal, trimmer or body groomer. So I will show you the difference between them. For demonstration, I will draw a line on my leg and I will cut my half hair with the trimmer and another half with my body groomer. The result is in front of you guys. Trimmer did a good job, but the body groomer wins because it's cut my hair with precision. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. If you want to ask me something, then comment down below. Thank you.